Hello, aspiring executive assistant. I'm walking right now. May share lang ako sa inyo, nakakatuwa kasi tip number 30, 31 ba? O 32. 32, tip number 32. So, what we're going to do if you have a task given to you by your C executive that you cannot understand, even though the characters, you don't know how to execute, what are you going to do? So, ayan, nakakatawa lang kasi while I'm walking along here, ayan. So, ano yung gagawin mo? No? Ang ingay ng paligid. But anyway, what I'm going to do is, ano nga ba gagawin nyo kung di nyo naiintindihan? Kasi kung alam mo, Korean character. Tapos, at the same time, yung image hindi rin naman naiintindihan. You cannot interpret. Yun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na kailangan nyo ang AI tools. Not only AI tools, but you can also, for me, based on my experience, I do screenshot, snippet, sinesend ko, then I will ask what is the easiest instruction where I can execute a certain task. Then sometimes if you're the C executive, they will give you instructions step by step or as easy as possible that you can comprehend. So, try to grasp it and understand. Ganun yung ginagawa ko. And at the same time, syempre kailangan, kasi matutuwa kapag natapos mo yung instruction kasi for you, parang fulfillment na rin na, I cascaded or executed certain tasks. Yun lang naman. So, while walking, talking to you. So, that's all. Tip number 31 while walking. So, that's all. Like, share, and subscribe, and follow for more. So, God bless you all, mga manay. Bye!